Let me take you to another adventure. Welcome back, everyone. And in my previous post, I posted about Malico in San Nicolas, Pangasinan. And this is where we stayed, the Malico Pinewood Cabins, one of the best places to stay in when you are going to Malico. It is a gem in the developing area with a view of the mountainous regions of Malico. And as usual, we arrive early in the morning, so the rooms weren't ready yet. The check-in time is around 10. And so we just stayed for a bit and explored the different parts of Barangay Malico. I'll do that in a different vlog. And we also saw this cute moth here. Look how pretty it is. One thing to note about their cabins is that they don't have a restroom, so that is their common restroom right there. So all the cabins share the common restroom. First come, first serve, but that doesn't really hinder us because it's only a few cabins, and they also have a separate restroom again for the A-type cabins that they have there on the other end. Yeah, those, and I'll show you that later as well. So this is the view at night. The lights turn on and everything just looks beautiful, calm, and this is their dining area where they serve meals. We've had different meals here when came here a few months back, and this is the lights. So when we came here, it was around September, and it was the Bagyong Enteng. So look how foggy it was. If you are looking for this kind of atmosphere or vibe, the best time to come is around the Burr months, as they've said, because the temperature drops and it gets really, really cold here. And when I say cold, I mean really cold. One jacket isn't enough. But as you can see, we did enjoy or try to enjoy the cold as much as we could because it's rare. And that's why they call this place the summer capital of Pangasinan. And we spent the whole day there, and they haven't finished these A-type cabins yet at that time, so this time I'm able to show you. So they have a different entrance, and as I've told you before, they have their own bathrooms. So it's good for two only. The rental rate is around 1,000 on a weekday and 1,500 on a weekend. Good for two. Includes complete beddings. It's very simple, but it's very cozy. And this is their bigger cabins, good for 5. It's for 2,500. And you can rent out the whole place. Just rent out all the cabins for a discount. They also have a breakfast rate, so that's around 3,250 for 5. That's like an additional 150 pesos. Now, they invited us to set a bonfire, and we agreed. What we didn't know that it wasn't free, so we ended up paying for the bonfire the next day. And also do note that you need to have a deposit, which is different from the rate of the cabin, but it is deductible. And this is how everything seems at night. It's very peaceful, and everything's just so quiet. It's just you and nature and the crackling fire. And good morning. This is the view when I woke up. And so I want to show you the food that we've had here. They have breakfast for us. They also serve lunch. They have pancit and such, but that will be for my food vlog, and I'll just link video below in the comments. Just check out the comments if you want to see more, and enjoy the rest of the video with aerial shots of the place so you can see how beautiful it is. Ain't it nice, right? There are other places to stay in Malico, but I'll do that in a different vlog entry. So stay tuned, and I hope you like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!